In this iUgo tutorial, you will learn to access the Filebox storage location, upload, link and manage personal and school files, organise resources, link to Filebox files while planning, use Google Drive integration. To access the Filebox, iUgo's online file storage system, you need to go to the main menu and select Filebox. In the Filebox, you have the option to access your personal or school documents. Your personal Filebox is where you can upload and manage files just for your class. The school Filebox is where you can access all files uploaded for school-wide use. The Filebox allows you to upload, manage and organise personal and school files. To add files to your personal Filebox, click Upload. Multiple file types can be uploaded, and you have the option to choose files or drag and drop your files to upload. To pick files to upload, click on Choose Files and select a file from your computer. To drag and drop your files for quick upload, simply drag your file into the pop-up window. Click Upload to save your files. There's also an option to save and store links to the Filebox. To save handy website links, select Link. Enter the name you want for your link. Enter or copy the URL address. Add labels you want to assign to the link for easy searching. Press Tab to create separate labels, and save when you're done. To find resources that you have uploaded by typing the file name into the search bar, or by selecting the label that you saved to the file for a quick search. If you want to share your resources with other iUgo users in your school, you can click on School under Filebox in the menu. Here you can upload files that you want to share with your school. In the Filebox, you are able to organise your resources into accessible folders. To create a folder, select Add New Folder. Name your folder, and simply drag and drop your files into the folders that you want. You can reorder or move your folders and files by dragging and dropping them into place, and you can edit the name of a folder at any time by clicking on Edit Folder. You can choose to sort files by name or date added. To preview, edit or delete files, click on the blue triangle of the file. While you are planning, you are able to link your Filebox files to your lesson plans. To link a document or link from the Filebox to your plans, click on the paperclip icon. For example, in your unit plan, you can click on Resources and then the paperclip icon. Or you can scroll down to your plan and click on the paperclip icon in your lessons. In the Add Resources pop-up, you are able to select as many files as you want from your Filebox. You have the option to select from your personal Filebox, school Filebox, or even to upload or link a new resource to the lesson that will also be uploaded to your Filebox. iUgo is fully integrated with Google Drive. You can add files from Google Drive to any planning documents. You can find the icon next to the Filebox paperclip. Select the Google Drive icon to open your account. You may need to sign in and grant permission for iUgo to access your Google Drive if you haven't already. Then select the files you want to save to your planning. These are saved against your planning as direct links. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial videos on how to use iUgo, please visit our support section.